Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Watch GS Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps or the wristband on this watch. If you want to change the straps or the wristband on this watch, first you need to remove the old ones. To do it, grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap you have this pin basically at the end of the strap. And to remove the strap you need to grab this pin with fingernail or something and then pull it to the inside of the strap, basically pull it this way. And once you pull it this way, it will release the strap and you can pull it out. The way this mechanism works is basically quite simple. You have two pins on the side of the straps, and basically when you pull on this pin at the top, it hides the, come on, focus camera. It hides the pin like that, so you can pull out the strap from the watch. Okay, let's do the same for the second one. Pull on the pin and take out the strap. So here we have our watch and our straps. And now to put the new straps on, if you get them, simply place one end of the strap or of the one pin of the straps into a hole right here on the watch. Put it in, then pull the pin to hide this side of the pin, adjust it, release the pin, and then wiggle around with the strap to hit the hole. And once it releases, it will hold. Do the same for the second side. Put in the one end, like this, pull the pin, adjust it, and move around until it clicks, and then it will hold. And once you're done, that's how it looks like, and that's how you change the wristband or straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.